So we continue with our series Data Analytics for Beginners as a guide. Now, the third, I think we're on the third, finding the real data sets for building your projects. Yeah, we have talked about learning. Learning theory is good, but projects are what make you better. Do not just watch tutorials. Please practice with real data sets. So stay on this video. I'm going to take you through where you get the real data sets. I'll leave the link in the description below. Reach out, download free data sets for you to try out, create projects, and showcase your projects. Create a portfolio, which will be our next part of this series. Now, you can download datasets from Kaggle. You can download datasets from a website called, it's a government website. I will put the link below. Then Google datasets, search just for Google datasets. Then you put the field you want to analyze on. It can be sales, it can be health, it can be education, it can be transport, customer behavior. Just look out for the section or the environment or the industry you want to analyze on. Go to Google search, either the AI mode, search for a data set about sales or a supermarket or anything. They will give it to you. Go ahead and create a project. So as a beginner, start with the simple projects. The simple projects like analyzing sales performance for a business, creating an Excel dashboard for monthly expenses, like building a Power BI dashboard for customers' trends. Those are the simple projects you should start with. Then if you're doing SQL, then start using SQL to analyze order data, filtering out the data, combining the different tables, that is joining. Then create reports showing like revenue by product, by region, by month. When building projects, follow the simple structure. Number one, understand the business question. When we are doing data analysis, we are solving a problem. Second, clean your data. Third, explain your insights. Actually, third is analyze your data. First is understand the business question. Second is clean the data. Third is analyze the data. Fourth is create the visuals. That is a visual representations, charts, graphs, and all, name them. We have a guide on our website. You can go and read the guide, which chart is required for which data. Then fifth is explain your insights. Every visual you put outside there, give it an explanation. Why did the sales increase? That is the value of you as a data analyst. Do not just create charts. For example, do not say sales increased in March, so what? But just say sales increased by 25% in March, mainly because product A performed better in the central region. That is how you start thinking as a real data analyst. Otherwise, continue following us. Reach us out in case you have any challenges. We do all consultations in trainings, creating projects, and name them. Otherwise, I meet you in the next video. In the same series, we are still continuing. Don't miss out the next part.